Here's a little case. I believe it's a 1960. Little small size bulldozer. I guess small size, and except those tracks are about twice the size of any normal lawnmower. There's 2 lawnmowers that fit in those tracks. But as bulldozers go, it's kind of small. Have the original directions for it somewhere. And there it is. The bucket lifts fairly high. That's what it's known for. It's a bulldozer with a high lifting bucket. I guess today they almost call it a skid steer, don't they? Skid steers have a high lifting bucket. So there we go.